Hey there and welcome. We've got a tutorial here from CB Productions as to how automation works. We're going to show you using this MIDI loop that's been dragged in, pre-made. Automation allows you to change volumes, pans, compressor rates, whatever it is that you want. So first of all, we're going to actually open up the automation tab, which is either up in the top left as you saw me click there, or you can press the hotkey A. So what you get in automation, you can change between volume, your panning, or any inserts you've already got on there. It's very useful. So for example, if you've got your compressor set on and you don't want it to be kicking in at a certain point, you can turn it off. So here's how it works. You get yourself 4 options when you are recording, which is going to be read, touch, latch and write. We're going to start off with read. What read does is, as you start recording, it will change what level of automation you get as you drag it. It will keep it at one continuous volume though. It will not change as you record, so anything that you drag in will not be recorded over. It will be one continuous line at that volume. Next step is the touch version as opposed to write. What touch will do is, as you are recording, you can drag the volume knob down the bottom left as you like, and it will record your automation as you go along. Once you let go of it, it will set itself back to what you had as your original volume. So if you had it set to Unity, it will snap back to Unity. As you can see here, it's 3.7. Very similar to touch now is latch. Latch does essentially the same thing, but this time if you let go, it will be keeping itself at the volume you just set rather than snapping back to your original. So let's have a look at that now. You can see it records over everything that you have just set. So once you let go of it as well, just here, it will record over anything that you had previously there. You can continually change it rather than keep it dragged at the same one point. The final method is write. It gives you a warning already, warning you that it's going to record over any previous automation you've done. Now what write does is similar to that last latch. Is as you go along, it's going to record over all the automation that you've set. It will move where you move it, drag to where you drag it. Once you let go, it will stay in that same position. It's going to record over everything that you have previously done in terms of your automation though. Now what we're going to look at as well is going to be how to pan. Now again, you set your volume to pan instead, and you can, we're going to doing this in latch of course, move around the pan volume down the bottom left. As you can see, as you've been going along, it's recorded it in. Let's have that, a listen to that. Clearly hear that moving across. It's from hard left to hard right. And of course you can change different aspects, so for example inserts on your compressor, if you want to change the attack or the punch, or how to sidechain at certain individual points. It's very simple stuff to use and very easy to get the hold of. Anyway, thank you for watching. It's been CV Tutorials.